Effects of radiofrequency, electromagnetic field RF-EMF exposure on male fertility. The document is a systematic review titled Effects of Radiofrequency, Electromagnetic Field RF-EMF Exposure on Male Fertility, underscore a systematic review of experimental studies on non-human mammals and human sperm in vitro. It investigates the impact of RF-EMF exposure on male fertility, analyzing data from experimental mammal studies and in vitro human sperm studies. The review found moderate certainty evidence that RF-EMF exposure reduces pregnancy rates, among other findings related to semen quality and reproductive organ toxicity. It highlights the importance of further research in the context of declining male fertility potential in Western countries. The invisible influence, RF-EMF exposure and male fertility. Radiofrequency electromagnetic fields, RF-EMF, from mobile phones, Wi-Fi, and other digital devices are omnipresent in our daily lives. Recent systematic reviews aim to uncover how these fields might affect male fertility, sparking concerns and debates among scientists and the public alike. Methodology overview. The review meticulously compiled studies on non-human mammals and human sperm in vitro to assess RF-EMF's impact. Criteria for inclusion were stringent, ensuring that only relevant and scientifically rigorous studies contributed to the findings. Key findings. Evidence from the review shows a moderate certainty that RF-EMF exposure correlates with reduced pregnancy rates, alongside detrimental effects on semen quality and the health of reproductive organs. These results are backed by statistical analyses emphasizing their significance. Implications for public health. The decline in male fertility, possibly linked to RF-EMF exposure, poses significant public health concerns. It calls for societal awareness and individual caution, alongside a push for more conclusive research to understand these correlations fully. Current RF-EMF exposure levels. Everyday devices expose users to varying RF-EMF levels, often surpassing what may be considered safe. Regulatory standards exist, but the rapid advancement of technology challenges their adequacy and enforcement. Mitigation strategies. Reducing exposure through practical measures like distancing devices from the body and limiting usage time can mitigate potential risks. Embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes minimal RF-EMF exposure is also advisable. Conclusion. Ongoing research is vital to unravel the long-term effects of RF-EMF on male fertility. Public and scientific communities must collaborate to safeguard health while navigating the digital age's complexities. Visit www.rfsafe.com to learn more. Be RF safe to be sure.